Hello. This is Excel Passionne. Welcome back to my channel again. Here we are looking at the preview of the file that we are going to make in this video. Have a look. We are going to make a file that converts text into barcode and QR code. Any number, text or web address can be converted into barcode and QR code. Let's see how to make it. We have typed the text, and the text needs to be converted to barcode. In order to have the barcode displayed, we need to have a copy of the same text in an adjacent cell. Therefore, we type this formula, equals, and then select the cell. But it's not necessary to have a copy always. We can also type the barcode with keyboard letters. It will display as barcode, as you have seen in the preview. Now, select the cell that contains copy of the text, and change its font. If you don't have it, you may have to download it. To create a QR code, we need to get the add-in from store. Let's see what we do here to get it. Click on Insert tab, then click on Add-in, and select My Add-in. A pop-up window opens. In the search bar, type QR, and search. Select the first result as you can see. On the pane that is opened on the right-hand side, type the text you want to type. Here we are typing web address. As the QR code is created, click on Insert. It will insert the QR code onto the cell where it was last clicked. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, comment on this video, share if you like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Excel Passionne.